River Hospital is a big place. Our hospital is spread out over 2 large sites and a number of smaller facilities, so it's important to know first where you need to go to avoid getting lost. Our largest site is the KW site, located at 835 King Street West in Kitchener. That's right at the border of Kitchener and Waterloo. Services available at the KW site include the emergency department, cancer care, critical care, childbirth, the children's program, acute mental health services for adults, adolescents, and children, kidney care, medicine, surgery, stroke, retail pharmacy, and many medical imaging studies. Meanwhile, GRH's Freeport site is on the south side of Kitchener at 3570 King Street East. Freeport's role has grown and developed in recent years. The site's key services include complex continuing care, rehabilitation, the Waterloo Wellington Breast Centre, a kidney dialysis satellite, and specialized mental health. GRH also has several special purpose services located around the Waterloo region. These include kidney dialysis services in partner hospitals and off-site mental health services. Before you visit GRH, please call us first to help us guide you to the right location. You can reach us at 519-749-4211 and we can tell you more. The KW site of Grand River Hospital has a few key entrances you should know about. The first is our main entrance, just off of King Street West. It's the one with the revolving door. It's open through the daytime and early evenings 7 days a week and can give you access to most procedures and inpatient rooms if you're visiting someone. An information desk, along with our dedicated volunteers, will help you once you're inside. Nearby, adult cancer patients can access the hospital through GRH's Regional Cancer Center main entrance. It's just east or to the left of the hospital's revolving door. This entrance is open 5 days a week during the daytime. There's also a patient registration desk along with volunteers to help you. Our main parking area is the KW site's garage, which is close to those 2 main entrances. There are designated accessible spaces. Please note that the elevator in the parking garage accesses the odd-numbered levels, which are wheelchair accessible. Some accessible parking is also available on the main driveway outside the hospital's main door and cancer center door. Please note that all parking at the hospital, even accessible space, is subject to parking fees. Emergency department patients should enter the hospital through a dedicated entrance on King Street at Pine Street. The emergency entrance is open around the clock. It's the only way to get into the hospital through the overnight hours. Many mental health services are available through an entrance off of Mount Hope Street. Pay parking is available near this entrance for short-term stays. The Kaufman Building on the east side of GRH's KW site is home to a number of outpatient clinics. These cover stroke care, mental health, nutrition counseling, diabetes, and infection control. Our patient accounts and human resources departments are also available in the Kaufman Building. A short-term parking lot is available right off of 40 Green Street, along with an accessible entrance. If you're going to Freeport, you're welcome to park in the main lot at the end of the driveway off of King Street East. At the main entrance, there's an information desk inside, along with volunteers to help you find your way. Accessible parking is available close to the main entrance. There's also a separate entrance for patients going to the Waterloo Wellington Breast Centre. The specialized mental health program is accessible both from the main entrance of Freeport or from a separate driveway located off of Morrison Road. Short-term parking is available right outside the specialized mental health entrance. Just a reminder, before you come to GRH, please call us first to help us guide you to the right location. You can reach us at 519-749-4211 and we can tell you more. If you're visiting a patient at Grand River Hospital, be sure to check in advance about where they are and when's the best time to visit. Always clean your hands well before, during, and after your visit. And please don't visit if you have a cold, the flu, or a stomach virus to avoid passing an infection on to a patient. Grand River Hospital is proud to be a tobacco-free hospital. Please remember that there is no tobacco use or smoking in any GRH buildings or on GRH property.